Your question is, in India, a minister who is not a member of either House of Parliament will cease to be a minister after. Your options are A. 6 months, B. 1 year, C. 2 years, or D. 3 years. Right answer is A. 6 months. Your question is, which of the following statements is not true regarding the Parliament of India? Your options are A. The Constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government. B. The function of the Parliament is to provide for a cabinet. C. The membership of the cabinet is restricted to the lower house. Or D. The cabinet enjoys the confidence of the majority in the popular chamber of the house. Right answer is C. The membership of the cabinet is restricted to the lower house. Your question is, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible 1. To the House of the People, 2. Under a constitutional obligation, 3. As per Article 75(3), 4. As per Article 74(3). Which of the above statements are correct? Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 1, 3 and 4 only, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is B. 1, 2 and 3 only. To the House of the People under a constitutional obligation and as per Article 75(3). Your question is, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which of the following? Your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Rajya Sabha, or D. Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Lok Sabha. Your question is, consider the following statements in the context of Indian Constitution. 1. The Union Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. 2. Union Ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the Prime Minister. Your options are A. Only one is correct, B. Both 1 and 2 are correct, C. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct, or D. Only 2 is correct. Right answer is A. Only 1 is correct. The Union Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Your question is, Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to. Your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Parliament, or D. Only to Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Only to Lok Sabha. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The Council of Ministers in the centre shall be collectively responsible to the Parliament. 2. The Union Ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the President of India. 3. The Prime Minister shall communicate to the President about the proposals for legislation. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, or D. All of these. Right answer is C. 2 and 3. The Union Ministers shall hold the office during the pleasure of the President of India, and the Prime Minister shall communicate to the President about the proposals for legislation. Your question is, the Prime Minister of India is responsible to whom? Your options are A. The Cabinet, B. The President, C. The Lok Sabha, D. The Rajya Sabha, or E. More than one of the above. Right answer is C. The Lok Sabha. Your question is, which one of the following is not explicitly stated in the Constitution of India but followed as a convention? Your options are A. The Finance Minister is to be a member of the lower house, B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house, C. All the parts of India are to be represented in the Council of Ministers, or D. In the event of both the President and the Vice President demitting office simultaneously before the end of the tenure, the Speaker of the lower house of the Parliament will officiate as the President. Right answer is B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house. Your question is, which one of the following motions the Council of Ministers in India can move? Your options are A. No confidence motion, B. Censure motion, C. Adjournment motion, or D. Confidence motion. Right answer is D. Confidence motion.